What's up, resin peeps? I just wanted to show you guys a little something. There's a little resin corner here where I do some of my resin printing and making my resin mess. And I'm doing a little work on my shelf because this one here warped. You know why? Because I'm printing in my garage and it's super humid here in New Jersey this time of year. And this thing is absorbing moisture and being exposed to some pretty high temperatures, which my resin printers really love because the resin is so nice and liquidy and warm. But the shelving, no such luck. Don't like it as much. So what I've done is I put a new shelf down, and you see the color. I water guard it. I did Olympic water guard. Transparent wood stain and sealer. Transparent. It's also ugly brown. But so I did that to help it from absorbing humidity and warping even more faster. Also, what's great about this is when you're spilling resin all over it, it'll help prevent the wood from absorbing the resin. And then what's gonna happen is on top of this, I'm going to put my secret weapon right here. Don't you love the mess? Which is found at Walmart and probably Amazon as well. And it's just this guy right here. It's an oil spill mat. This is made when you change your oil, work on cars, that all the crud will spill onto the mat instead of onto the floor, and it'll absorb into the mat, and then you can just throw the mat away. Or if you're like me, just use it for an eternity until it's absolutely disgusting, then just put a new one down. It's like 10 bucks, can't beat it. So as soon as this here finishes drying, I'm gonna lay this down over it, then put resin printers on it. Now it's got a layer of protection against spills, alcohol, resin, etc. And then if it gets to the wood, even the wood has some protection thanks to my wood seal. So there you go, just a thought on how you guys might get more mileage out of your shelving, prevent it from warping and absorbing liquids and whatnot, especially you guys that are working with resin, because you know how disgusting that is.